Okay, it's going to be a series of videos on how to frame a house by yourself. I have to frame this 2,300 square foot house and I don't want to hire anybody, so I'm going to do the whole thing by myself, and I'll put videos up and show you how I do it. So this is what it looks like when I start. It's just the foundation. It's going to be the garage. This house is a walkout. So I'm going to have to build walls back there to bring them all up to the foundation height, and then I can put my floor on. But for now, I'm going to build this front floor first. It's going to be dropped, so I'll build that, and then I can build a wall and do the upper floor. So the first thing I have to do is this part of the floor here, from here up here, and this part. This is going to be lower than this part's going to be about a foot higher. That's why the foundation takes that step up right there. So the first thing I have to do is put the beam in that pocket. It's going to go on a post down to that pad. And then there's going to be joist hangers, and the joists are going to sit on this wall and go out to that beam. So now I've marked out these joists where they're going to go on the beam. They're going to have a hanger like this. They're going to have to sit up a bit because that beam's sitting lower in that pocket. I marked them out, got them all on. I just got to nail them all on. Okay, now that I have all these joist hangers on here, I have a post set up down here. That's what I'm going to put the beam on. It'll stay there for now. And I got to get it in that pocket. And that is how you do that. Now I got this beam with the hangers. Now I can put the joist in. Now I got all these hangers on. This beam is going to sit in that pocket and go to that temporary post I have. got both these beams in, I can put all the joists in. I'll just pre-cut them all, and I'll put them in the hangers. I'll have to put a little bit of glue in the hangers. They have to be glued so that they don't squeak. Now I have all these joists in. I can start putting my rim board on. That's the piece of wood that's going to go around the edge. And now I have all the rim board on, all the joists in, all the beams. Now I need to frame in this middle part for the stairwell. Now I have to do this part here with this joist and hanger, and these joist hangers, and then these joists. And then I can sheet it. Now I got this stairwell all framed in, all those joists. And then before I could sheet, I have to each side put blocks every 2 feet, top and bottom like that, and then on the angle like that. On that side. And on this side. Now I snapped a line, 48.5, all the way across. That's where I'm going to start my sheets. Now I got the first row all sheeted and screwed. Now we'll just glue and sheet the rest. I got this whole floor done. I can start building these side walls and those back walls.